So yeah, it's been about a year since I uploaded. And I didn't just quit YouTube. I've been building something new and pretty exciting in my opinion. And I also didn't want to upload just to upload. I didn't want to make those one-off tech videos anymore. I wanted to only share something if I really had something useful to share. And now, I feel like I do. Now, if you've been around my channel a lot, then you'd know that I post mostly these kind of technology-oriented coding videos where I'm showing you how to build things. But lately, my focus has shifted. Now I'm more into entrepreneurship, where I take building things to the next level. Instead of just doing these one-off implementations, I try to accelerate it to the next level so that more people can get access to these implementations and it can help them in their everyday lives. That's been the kind of theme of my life lately, just turning these ideas into real things that can help people. So the big thing that I've been working on lately is my CRM startup called Benevolate. Essentially, it's a CRM tool built specifically for nonprofits that takes every tool that they would ever need to run a nonprofit and puts it into one seamless AI-based platform. But what I've learned is that it's less about the product and actually more about the journey, because I've learned so much just making that first company. How to talk to clients, how to deal with issues that come up even when it's a stressful situation, how to build a product from scratch, and also lead a team to do the same that's also on the same mission as you. So I realized I don't just enjoy building things, but I also enjoy turning them into real products that people can use. Now, one other thing that I've learned this year is that being an entrepreneur isn't just about having a good idea and starting there. It's about figuring things out when nothing's working, fixing bugs that nobody even notices, staying up late to fix just one small problem, and taking it one step at a time. Now, I feel like I've learned way more in this 1 year just doing a business in reality than ever learning about business in theory, even from things like school. And although at times it's messy and it's tiring, I really feel good whenever something comes out of it, especially when I get to see my clients actually put our product into use at real events. It really does feel good. So now, what's next for this channel? This channel is going to change a bit, because I'm still going to talk about digital stuff as my company is still a software platform, and I'm still really interested in the technology side of things. Things like digital implementations for business, tools that you can use to grow your own business, automations, things like that. But simply building one-off projects is not going to be the focus anymore. Instead, it's going to be on a broader scale, and it may even help you start your own business, or at least you'll learn something from mine as well. So basically, if you're someone who likes building things, knowing about business, or just want to see my journey as an entrepreneur as well, then that's what this channel is going to be about now. So yeah, that's where I've been this past year. Now, I've missed making videos, but I think this time around it's going to be a lot more personal and a lot more real, especially with what's going on in my life right now. So if you stuck around for this long, deeply, I thank you so much. And I'm excited to share what's been going on and also what's coming next. So anyway, it's good to be back. Until then, you can learn anything.